Hey everybody, this is David with Global Property Inspections. I'm a home and commercial property inspector here to give you a few tips on how to keep your gutters and downspouts in great working order. Like everything else in your home, you've got to keep them clean for them to work their best. Let's get started. Your gutter system is your first line of defense against water intrusion. When everything's working as it should, rainfall is directed off of your roof and away from your foundation in a way that prevents wood rot and water seepage into your basement or crawl space. If the system is clogged with seed pods in the spring or falling leaves in autumn, water can back up and go where it's not supposed to. Luckily, cleaning your gutters and downspouts is a pretty easy task you can accomplish yourself. That is, as long as you are comfortable getting up on a ladder. If you're not, it's okay, leave the task to the professionals. While there are a few different methods you can use depending on the type of debris you're dealing with, we'll focus on one in particular today. This is the scoop and drop method. It's easy, fast, and works well for both dry and wet leaves. Just lay a tarp to the side of your ladder underneath the gutter section you're working on. Scoop the leaves out of the gutter, drop them on the tarp, and move the tarp when you move your ladder. When the tarp gets full, you can dump the leaves in a trash bag or in your compost pile. Once your gutters are cleared, you'll also want to check your downspouts. To do this, take a garden hose, place it in the downspout, and have a helper turn on the water. If you notice a clog, turn up the pressure on the garden hose. If the pressure doesn't do the job, you may need a plumbing snake to break up the obstruction. Once everything's cleared out, give the system a good rinse. Place your hose in the gutter at the farthest point from the downspout opening and run water for a few minutes until it comes out the downspout below, clean and free of debris. That's it, you're done. Thanks again for watching. This is David from Global Property Inspections, and we hope you learned something today that'll help you out as a homeowner. If you have a question about your home, get in touch with your local GPI inspector. We're always here to help. See you next time.